On this episode of Dirt Road Brothers, this is what we having, guys. Hamburger steak, brown gravy, french fries. Super easy, takes no time to make. Real simple meal, guys. Stick around if you want to check this one out.
Welcome to Dirt Road Grill and Barbecue. Just good fire, good smoke, and food done true. I'm Tim Dirt Road Demon, if you know the name. With my brother Jason, we run this flame. We keep it simple, take it slow. Let the smoke and the flavor do the show. So grab you a seat, grab you a plate. Kick back a while, y'all gonna eat great. Ain't nothing fancy, just the way we were raised. Cast iron, open flame, and we smoke for days. You'll see us try and mess it up, then get it right. Learning as we go, just chasing that perfect bite. From slow smoke meats to a skillet on the stove. If it's worth cooking, we're giving it a go. Some of it's simple, some of it takes time, but good food's worth it every single time. So whether you're cooking or just along for the ride, there's always room for you right here by our side.
Alright, guys, tonight we got a super simple one. We knew it was going to be, kind of a late day and everything, so we went ahead. We planned to make hamburger steak, brown gravy, and french fries. So we're going to start out. We got some 80-20 beef patties here. I mean, they're already preformed and everything. Like I said, we knew it was going to be kind of a late day, not a whole lot of time. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these preformed patties. We're going to press them out just a little bit. Okay, because these things here, they will, I mean, they'll shrink up on you, they'll get real tight, and they'll just turn into kind of like pucks. So you don't want that, so you want to give them just a little bit of spread on them. Just super simple, just salt, and some pepper. Onion powder, a little garlic powder. Okay, and just give that a little press in there. Flip this baby over. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get through all these patties, get them all seasoned up the same way. Salt, garlic, pepper, and onion powder. That's all we're doing. So I'm gonna get all these seasoned up, and then we'll be right back. All right, guys. Get our patties all seasoned up here. To the red tick here, 250 degrees. We got time to soak up some flavor, get a little bit of smoke on them. Alright, my little chickens, we're back for the flip. Just like that. Like that. Like that. Don't worry if they split or anything like that. Good Lord, they ain't gonna come out the other end looking like that when you're done with it. So, and we're just gonna smother them in some gravy, put some mushrooms, You don't have to use the mushrooms if you don't want to. It's up to you. These are up here for my boy. He's an athlete. He's gonna eat cheeseburgers all week. So that's what he does. Ground beef is great for any athlete who's consistently working out all the time. Okay, that's what our boy does. He's always at it. So, but anyway, that's the flip on them. They're fixing to come off. Gonna get them inside, and then we'll show you how the rest of it comes together. Alright guys, here we are. This right here, this is just brown gravy. It's a simple, in the pack, brown gravy. Nothing special. Super quick, super easy. Just follow your instructions. You got gravy. No big deal. Then we got some sauteed mushrooms. Alright. And then a piece of resistance. Look at there, guys. Hamburger steak, french fries. No big whoop. Super easy, super fast. Good meal. So there you go.